All right. This afternoon we will look a little closer at the play, the tensions within the play, lyrical elements within the play. And so we're at page 28. And it opens with children's voices, and though it may sound insignificant, I want you to give it some careful thought. Let's go. Act 1, Scene 2. Next morning, children's voices as they play next door. Here's a boy. He says, 1, 2, 3, mother catch a flea. Flea die, mother cry, 1, 2, 3. You to catch, Jeanette. You to catch. Whoop, whoop. Children's voices. Whoop, whoop, whoop. The stage is flooded suddenly with warm sunshine, becoming brilliant as the mid-morning sun burns its way across the sky. Sophie and Esther are halfway through their morning meal. Sophie, in a faded cotton frock, an old pair of her husband's shoes, which a size is too large for her, is sitting with her back to the yard. She's nursing the baby. Esther sits facing the yard, doodling with her meal, children's voices chanting. You can't catch me though. You can't catch me though. You can't catch me though. Ha ha ha. Wild laughter. Jeanette! Jeanette! And Jeanette says, I caught you! I caught you! I caught you! And the children laugh wildly over the laughter. Jeanette begins to count loudly and more deliberately. 1, 2, 3. Mother catch a flea. Flea die. Mother cry. 1, 2, 3. And the children are screaming with laughter as they begin another game. And Sophia says, I wish those damn children from next door would stop keeping so much blasted noise this time of morning. And boy, come, suck, suck, suck no my. I certainly have all morning to sit here fooling with you. Esther's about to help herself to something from the table. You take your hand from that. It's your fair father. But, ma, leave it, you hear me? Though it would be damn good for him if he came in and didn't find any. Didn't he come in all night, ma? You ask too many damn questions, Esther. Stop playing with your breakfast. You're having it late enough. But, mama, you hear me? Yes, ma. Ephraim in bed stirs and he sits up. The game again. The girl calling from the street, calling for Janet! Janet! Janet runs fast along the alley and she says, School! Esther calls, Janet! And she runs to the gate. Janet says, Esther, a lot of police out by the corner. You want to come and see? And Esther says, Ma! Sophia ignores her. The girl off stage. Jan, let's go! Janet, we're coming, Laura! And we hear her as she joins the other children as they move along the alley towards the street. Ma, can I go and see? No. But, Ma, Sophia, Esther, don't make me lose my temper with you little this morning. Them's over there living in big house, and they mother have servants to clean up after them. I ain't have no help but you. And don't frown up your face at me. Pouting, Esther stumps back to sit on the porch. Sophia turns attention to the baby. All right, young man, I think you had enough. Come inside. Sleep for you. Getting up, she chants a little nothing song to the baby. Pam palampa likili. This little man don't love me. Pam palampa likili. This little man going kill me. Ephraim lights up on a cigarette, and from inside, as she tucks the baby away. Sleep for you, sleep for you. The morning going, and your mama got a lot of things to do. Esther sneaks out of the yard. I'm stopping here for you.